Hello everyone, welcome back to Luna Delicious. Today I'm going to show you a super easy and incredibly delicious chicken recipe that looks simple, but wait until you see how glossy, flavorful, and juicy it turns out. Start by taking a fresh white onion and slicing it into thin, even strips. Thin slices are really important here because they cook faster, soften beautifully, and melt right into the sauce. Now heat a little oil in a pan and sauté the onions until they turn soft, glossy, and fragrant. This step already builds so much flavor, and trust me, it only gets better from here. Next, take your chicken breast and cut it into bite-sized cubes. Try to keep the pieces fairly even so they cook nicely and stay juicy. Place the chicken into a bowl and season it with salt, black pepper, and your favorite spices. This is where the flavor starts building, so don't be shy. Now pour in a rich soy-based sauce and mix everything really well until every piece of chicken is fully coated. The color already looks so good at this stage, and once it hits the pan, it gets even better. Add a little cornstarch to the bowl and mix again. This is the little trick that helps create that silky, glossy finish that makes the sauce cling to every single bite. Now add the marinated chicken to the pan with the onions and let it cook until the chicken starts turning golden and slightly caramelized. If you love glossy, saucy chicken recipes, you're going to want to keep watching this part. Once the chicken is nicely cooked, pour in the rest of the sauce and let everything simmer gently. You'll see it thicken into the most beautiful savory glaze. And honestly, this is the moment where the whole dish starts looking irresistible. While that's bubbling away, chop some fresh green onions into longer pieces. They add such a fresh pop of color and make the final dish look even more appetizing. Toss the green onions into the pan and give everything one final stir. The smell at this point is absolutely amazing, and the sauce should be glossy, rich, and coating every piece perfectly. Finally, plate it up and finish with a little fresh parsley on top. And there it is, a super flavorful, glossy chicken dish that's easy enough for a quick dinner, but looks like something way more special. If you stayed until the end, you can already see why this one is such a favorite. It's simple, beautiful, and so delicious. Enjoy!